And when was the first time when Yiddish entered into your life?
It was, I think, 2008 or 9 that I had a period that I left music when I finished my music high school. Then I went to university, and I was graduated from Warsaw University, and I didn't have contact with music for 10 years maybe. And then I started to play accordion because of my Israeli boyfriend, actually, that needs somebody. He was a kind of juggler and firework dancer, and he needed somebody to accompany him. So he was pushing me to start to play again. And accordion was like something which is a little bit connected to piano, but you can move around with it. So I started to play accordion, and then I heard that there is some workshop of Jewish Yiddish songs in the theater of Warsaw, and I went there, and I really get into and enjoy it. It was workshop with great Teresa Wrońska, music director of Yiddish theater in Warsaw. And it was my first contact with Yiddish by music songs, folk songs and theater songs. First song I remember that she taught us was Asu Deniu, a feast, which with many symbols from Judaism, with Moshe Rabbeinu and Leviathan and David HaMelech, and I probably didn't understand the context of the songs. It was kind of exotic, but I entered very quickly into this world of Yiddish songs. And the first period of my music journey, it's started to feel the mission to bring Yiddish to the streets, like to make kind of fresh air performances, to take out Yiddish from the old theaters and museums, and from out of the context of opera singer who is singing with a company of the piano. I felt that it needs to be heard in the streets of Poland and also Israel. And I had great enthusiasm of it, and I was playing everywhere, also in Wrocław, in your hometown, and in Krakow during the festival, and in some in Czech, in Slovakia, also like just in the streets, and also sometimes during some bigger events, like in Rymanów. There is some annual meeting of people from Israel and Poland, and I was conducting a march with accordion from the cemetery, where was to the town with Yiddish songs, and playing in the bars, and and we played also in alternative theaters party Yiddish songs, like in Węgajty.
And how people react to this?
It depends. If it was out of context, so the reaction was not always so positive. Much better was to be the part of the context of music, Jewish music festival, for example. So then this works really good, because people were expecting, like, it was nice to have something alternative that you can freely join. And